everyone, Namaste, welcome back. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope all of you are doing good. Today I am sharing recipe of creamy Palak Paneer. If you like the recipe, then do share and subscribe. So here we have turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin seed powder, garam masala, black salt, common salt, fresh cream, cooking oil and butter. 2 cups of spinach leaves, these are washed and clean, 1 medium sized tomato, 1 cup of paneer cubes, 1 medium sized onion, few green chillies, lemon, ginger and garlic. To blanch the spinach, here in a pot I have added 4 cups of water. On medium flame, let it heat. I'll add the spinach, cook it for 2 minutes, and then after 2 minutes immediately I'll put them in cold water. So this will retain the green color of the spinach. Now we'll transfer this spinach in a blender and add water and blend it into a fine paste. I have used freshly crushed ginger, garlic and green chillies. This gives a very nice flavor to the curry. Now on medium flame, in a kadai or a wok, we'll heat 1 teaspoon of oil. We'll add butter to it. Let the butter melt. Then we'll add the ginger, garlic and chilli paste in this. Saute it for 10 to 15 seconds. Then we'll add the chopped onions also. We'll saute this till the onion becomes translucent. Also add tomato pieces in this and let it cook till the tomatoes become soft. Once the mixture cools down, we'll transfer into a blender and blend it. We can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water if required. Now in a kadai or a wok on medium flame, we'll heat oil. Add butter in this. Let the butter melt. Once the butter melts, we'll add cumin seed powder in this. Dry coriander powder. Also turmeric powder. We'll mix it well. Let it cook for at least 15 seconds. And then we'll add in this the tomato onion mixture. Mix it well. Now to this I have added garam masala, black salt, common salt. Let it cook for 1 minute and then add the spinach puree also and mix it. We'll mix it with the tomato mixture nicely. We can also add half a cup of water if required. We'll let it cook this at least for 5 minutes, stirring it occasionally. Once we see the bubbles forming on the surface of the spinach curry, we'll add the paneer cubes also. So our palak paneer is almost ready. As you can see, it has come out very nice. We can add more richness to this by adding fresh cream. We'll reduce the flame and let it simmer at least for 2 minutes. Fresh cream is optional. We can also add butter to it. So after 2 minutes, we'll add lemon juice in this. This will also help in retaining the green color of the spinach. So our palak paneer curry is ready. We can have this with the roti, naan, paratha and rice. So before serving, we can also add little bit of melted ghee or butter on it. Do try this recipe at least once. Enjoy with your friends and family. See you next week with another recipe. Thank you.